The Minute Mount System on the Ventrac 4000 series tractor is the key element in the Ventrac's versatility. The Minute Mount System allows a person to quickly and easily transfer from operating one attachment to another. We will show you the most common and practical ways to connect to various attachments. Several attachments require special instructions to facilitate easier attaching and detaching. Refer to that attachment's operator's manual for information to instruct you in performing this procedure. We will demonstrate attaching a Model 4200 tractor to an HM602 mower deck and HE480 slip scoop while following these steps. For attaching to the mower, the height selector lever must be raised to the highest position. Start the tractor and lower the front hitch arms to the lowest position. Drive forward to engage the tractor front hitch into the mower arms. Once the tractor hitch has moved past the lifting tabs on the mower hitch arms as shown here, stop forward movement and raise the front lift until the tractor hitch and mower arms are parallel with each other. Continue forward movement while at the same time ensuring that the attachment arms enter into the space between the hitch arm and the locking hook as shown here. A small side-to-side rotation of 2 to 3 inches of the steering wheel will cause the front hitch to move left and right. This will assist in aligning the arms to engage into the final location, so the locking hooks can be rotated down over the attachment hitch pins, locking the attachment to the tractor. Remember that how and where an attachment is removed is important to a quick and easy reattachment. An uneven surface where the attachment leans one way and the tractor another will make it more difficult for the arms to align. Also, many Ventrac attachments have wheels on the front, which allow the attachment to roll forward. When attempting to engage the hitch, it is best to block the wheels to keep the attachment from rolling forward. It may also be helpful to observe an experienced operator attach the attachment to see the proper sequence taking place. After the locking hooks have been engaged, release the belt tension lever by rotating the lever down to the right. Place the tractor in park and turn off the engine. Place the front lift lever into the float position. Dismount from the tractor and move to the front. Remove the belt from the retainer and place it over the front groove of the tractor PTO drive pulley as shown. Set the mower height selector lever into the desired position. To tighten the PTO belt, move to the center of the tractor and reach through to the belt tension lever and pull it into the raised position. A second option for attaching the drive belt and tightening the belt tension lever is to walk around the front of the mower and place the belt onto the tractor PTO drive pulley. Then grasp the belt tension lever with both hands and rotate it into the raised position. Move to the seat and start the tractor. With the park brake in the park position, set the weight transfer system. To set the left side, remove the ring off the holder with your left hand and while raising the front lift, pull the chain through the keyhole and place it in the desired position. For setting the right side, lift the ring off the holder with your right hand. Reach across your body with your left hand to the front lift lever and raise the front lift, again placing the chain in the desired position. If for any reason you are unable to perform this procedure, an alternative method of setting the weight transfer is to set it before returning to the tractor seat. Remember, when doing this, never remove the tractor from the park position until you are sitting back on the seat with the seat belt fastened. Move to the right side of the tractor and lift the right ring off the holder and raise the front lift with your hand on the front lift lever, placing the chain into the desired position. Reverse the procedure to reduce the amount of weight transfer. Now you are ready to start mowing operations. To remove the mower, park the tractor and mower on a level area and release the belt tension lever by rotating it to the right. Releasing the weight transfer will improve the ease of attachment separation. Do this by raising the attachment to release the tension on the chain, and then while holding the ring, allow the chain to feed back through the keyhole while lowering the front hitch. Repeat the procedure for the other side. Turn the engine off and place the front lift lever in the float position. Dismount the tractor and raise the mower cutting height to the highest setting. Remove the drive belt and loop it over the retainer as shown. A second option is to go around the mower and remove the drive belt and loop it over the belt retainer. Start the tractor and release the attachment locking lever by lifting the safety lock with your ring finger and sliding the attachment locking lever to the left and lifting, then back away from the attachment. Attaching the HE480 slip scoop. The procedures for attaching the HE480 slip scoop to the tractor are much the same as for the mower and other attachments. For proper attaching to the scoop, it should be setting on a level surface with the hitch arms near the raised position as shown here. If the scoop will not set level because of an uneven surface, place a small weight in the scoop to hold it in this position. With the weight transfer off, lower the front hitch and drive the tractor forward and engage the front hitch into the scoop's hitch arms. Push the hitch lock lever down. Engage the parking brake and place the front lift into the float position. Dismount and walk around the scoop to attach the hoses. Always wipe the hose ends to remove dirt before coupling to the tractor. Route the attachment hoses through the hose retainer bracket on the tractor as shown and attach them to the quick couplers by pulling back the ring of the tractor coupler, inserting the hose end into the coupler and push the ring forward to its original position. Reversing the hoses at the coupler will change the direction the lever needs to be moved to activate the scoop. If the hose couplers will not couple because of oil pressure buildup in the attachment hoses, the pressure will need to be released. Do this by using the correct size wrench and slightly loosen one hose end near the scoop. After pressure is released, retighten to approximately 230 inch-pounds of torque. To remove the scoop, park the tractor and attachment on a level area. Remove the weight transfer tension and turn the engine off. Place the lift lever in float position and move the auxiliary lever back and forth several times to remove oil pressure to the attachment hoses. Remove the hoses, wipe them clean of oil and dirt, and place them in a storage position, keeping them out of the dirt. Replace the dirt protective plugs on the tractor couplers, wiping away any oil and dirt. Start the tractor, release the attachment locking lever, and back away from the attachment. Using a slight side-to-side movement of the steering wheel will improve the ease of attachment separation. This concludes the tractor section of this video. It is recommended that after reading and understanding the operator's manual, practice by driving the tractor with an attachment on a level area to become familiar with the controls, their operation, and response of the articulating frame and steering. Give yourself ample time to know the tractor before you begin performing your tasks. You have now been given the basics for maintaining and operating your Ventrac. We trust this program will make your Ventrac experience a safe, enjoyable, and productive one. For more information about Ventrac, see your authorized Ventrac dealer or visit us at www.ventrac.com.